So this capsule I made, this blend, let me tell you what it supports. It supports lymphatic drainage and liver detox, hormone, thyroid, stress, energy, clear skin, glowing skin. So let me show you what I put in it. So first we got burdock root. And the main focus of burdock root is for your lymph, skin, and liver detox. So I have the nettle leaf. This is my container with the nettle leaf powder. It's like a green powder. The main focus is mineral balance, inflammation release. Relief, sorry. Rich in iron, magnesium, calcium, and silica. And it helps flush excess fluids. It's also good for your hair and nails as well. I use this in some of my hair products. And next I have the turmeric and black pepper powder. Turmeric's main focus is anti-inflammatory and immune balance. The black pepper is going to increase the turmeric's power by 20%. So when you should definitely use, when you use turmeric, if you make your own capsules, you want to definitely add black pepper to it, or you can buy the mixture. I bought this off of Amazon. It's already mixed together. So I'll tell you the measurements at the end of this recipe. And then we have ashwagandha root powder. The main focus of ashwagandha is the stress relief and hormone and thyroid support. So it balances cortisol and supports thyroid and adrenal health. It can boost your energy, focus, and mood. And then I added amla powder. So amla's main focus is vitamin C, immune, and rejuvenation support. So it's one of the richest natural sources of vitamin C, and it supports collagen, skin, and immunity. So it definitely supports collagen, which is something I really wanted. So I combined all of those powders, and I'll tell you right here it tells you, I wrote it down. I used burdock root. I used 6 tablespoons of burdock, 3 tablespoons of nettle, 3 tablespoons of turmeric and black pepper, 3 tablespoons of ashwagandha, 3 tablespoons of amla, and if you get these black peppers separate, you would need 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. So like I say, you want to drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water a day, which you typically should be drinking anyway, but because burdock and nettle, they help move the toxins, so you want to flush those toxins out while taking this, so you want to drink as much water as possible. One capsule is 500 milligrams, so just to give you an idea, you want to take this for at least 4 to 6 weeks to get the effects going. Also, people with sensitive stomachs, ulcers, or like I said, if you're taking blood thinners, you should go easy because the black pepper can enhance the effect of some of those medications. So yep, that's it. That's my formula that I came up with. Burdock, nettle, turmeric, ashwagandha, amla, plus the black pepper.